Ginger is a root that has been used for centuries in Asian cuisine and medicine. It has a spicy and aromatic flavor that adds a kick to many dishes and drinks. But ginger is more than just a tasty ingredient, and research has proven it can also provide you with some amazing and surprising health benefits. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you eat ginger every day according to research. Make sure you watch until the end, as the last benefit will probably surprise you. Now, let's get started. Number 1. It relieves joint pain and inflammation. If you suffer from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, ginger may actually help you ease the pain and stiffness in your joints. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Gingerol can reduce the activity of enzymes that cause inflammation and damage to the cartilage and bones. A 2016 meta-analysis of 16 studies found that ginger was effective in reducing pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. To use ginger for inflammation and pain, you can apply ginger oil or paste to the affected area, or take ginger orally as a supplement or tea. Number 2. It helps with weight loss. If you are looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism and burn more calories, ginger may be the answer. Ginger has thermogenic effects, meaning it can increase your body temperature and energy expenditure. A 2019 review of 14 studies found that ginger supplementation significantly reduced body weight and waist-hip ratio in people with overweight or obesity. To use ginger for weight loss, you can add fresh or powdered ginger to your meals, smoothies, or teas. Number 3. It lowers cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a type of fat that circulates in your blood, and it's essential for many functions in your body. However, too much cholesterol can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. In a 2022 review of 26 trials, researchers found that ginger consumption significantly reduced the levels of triglycerides and bad LDL cholesterol, while increasing good HDL cholesterol. Another 2023 study found that taking 5 grams of ginger a day for 3 months lowered people's bad LDL cholesterol an average of 30 points. Number 4. It treats chronic indigestion. Indigestion, or dyspepsia, is a common problem that affects many people. It causes discomfort, bloating, gas, and nausea after eating. Ginger may help treat chronic indigestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach and reducing the symptoms of dyspepsia. Ginger can also relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract and prevent spasms and cramps. One study found that ginger accelerated gastric emptying and reduced dyspeptic symptoms in healthy volunteers. Another study found that ginger improved gastric motility and reduced abdominal pain in patients with functional dyspepsia. Number 5. It lowers blood sugar levels. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-diabetic properties. These compounds can help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, and lower blood glucose levels. In a 2015 study on humans with type 2 diabetes, researchers found that taking 2 grams of ginger powder every day for 12 weeks improved fasting blood sugar and hemoglobin A1c, which is a measure of long-term blood sugar control. Another 2016 study on rats with diabetes found that ginger protected against heart problems that occur due to diabetes. To use ginger for blood sugar and cholesterol levels, you can consume fresh or powdered ginger regularly as part of your diet. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 6. It reduces menstrual pain. Menstrual pain, or dysmenorrhea, is a common problem that affects many women. It causes cramps, headaches, backaches, and mood swings during or before their periods. Ginger may help reduce menstrual pain by acting as a natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory agent. It can also modulate the levels of prostaglandins, which are hormone-like substances that cause uterine contractions and inflammation during menstruation. One study found that ginger was actually as effective as ibuprofen in reducing menstrual pain in women. Number 7. It protects against Alzheimer's disease. Ginger may also have neuroprotective effects that can prevent or delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease, which is a degenerative brain disorder that causes memory loss and cognitive impairment. Ginger can protect the brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are two major factors that contribute to Alzheimer's disease. Ginger can also enhance memory and cognitive function by stimulating the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. A 2012 study of 60 middle-aged women found that taking ginger extract for 2 months improved their working memory and attention span compared to a placebo group. To use ginger for brain health, you can take ginger extract or capsules as a supplement. Number 8. It treats morning sickness and nausea. Whether you are feeling sick from chemotherapy, pregnancy, or motion sickness, ginger can be your best friend. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural compound that has anti-nausea properties. According to a 2016 review of 12 studies, ginger was effective in reducing nausea and vomiting in various situations, such as postoperative nausea, morning sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea. To use ginger for nausea, you can try drinking ginger tea, sucking on ginger candies, or taking ginger capsules. Number 9. It boosts your immune system. Ginger contains several active compounds, such as gingerols, shogols, and pyridols, that have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immunomodulatory effects. These compounds can modulate the activity of white blood cells, such as neutrophils, that are involved in the immune response. Neutrophils are the first line of defense against infections, but they can also cause damage to healthy tissues by releasing substances called neutrophil extracellular traps, NETs. NETs are web-like structures that trap and kill microbes, but they also trigger inflammation and clotting, which can worsen autoimmune diseases like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and antiphospholipid syndrome. According to a recent study published in JCI Insight, ginger supplements can make neutrophils more resistant to NET formation by increasing the levels of a chemical called cAMP inside the cells. There are many other test tube and animal studies that have shown ginger's ability to boost the immune system by fighting viral and bacterial infections. Ginger may also help to prevent or treat respiratory infections, such as colds and flu, by stimulating mucus secretion and clearing the airways. Number 10. It prevents colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in the world, and it can be fatal if not detected early. Ginger may help prevent colorectal cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells in the colon and rectum. Gingerol can also induce apoptosis, which is the programmed death of abnormal cells, and prevent angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. One study found that ginger extract suppressed the growth of colorectal cancer cells in mice. Another study found that ginger intake was associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer in humans. So, as you can see, ginger is more than just a tasty spice. It is also a natural supplement that offers you many health benefits. However, before you start taking ginger supplements, make sure to consult your doctor about the dosage, interactions, and possible side effects. Ginger may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you have bleeding disorders, diabetes, or gallstones. Also, remember that ginger is not a substitute for proper medical care or prescribed medications. It is only a complementary therapy that may enhance your health and well-being. So, what do you think of these benefits? Did you experience some of them before? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.